Hi, Navid. Well, hi. You have more dirhams, yes. I'm at home. Ajman! Ajman, it's so far away. Why you are showing your body? I'm not showing my body. If I am showing, I'm supposed to be naked. Think about it. You want to go have dinner, Jumeirah? I don't want to go outside. Nang-aaway ka na naman eh. Nakakabwisit na naman 'tong mga 'to eh. Because it's Monday tomorrow. If early, I can go outside, but now it's almost, not almost, it's 9 already. You like walking outside? Yeah, I like, but now it's too much cold. Purple rain. Tomorrow, no problem. Okay, after work then. I bring you. I have my own jacket. Mm. Hi, gorgeous. Hello, how are you? Lo, ito pa kurot. Bagong kain nga, buisit. I'm good. How about you? I'm good as well. Purple rain, purple rain. Okay. I'm good. Okay. I'm good. Ba't na naman ako buisit? Good evening, Twisted Thoughts. How are you? Where are you living po? Dubai.